What's good, it's your boy JLG here, back at you with another video, and today I got a very special unboxing for you guys. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Yeezy Citrin 350, and yeah, so I copped this. It is a dead stock pair, and I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys today, showing you guys the shoe, giving a little review of what I, just from the naked eye, what I see of the quality. But before I do get into it, guys, make sure to go down below, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, hit that notification bell. And with that out of the way, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I've got the box right here. As you can see, Boost 350, I'll turn it around. Let's get a bit more of a view from the other side. Get up closer, as you can see, the Citrin colorway. Probably in reverse or something, but... Okay, so we're going to be opening it now. I'm going to get you guys, have a little review at this. And bam, there they are. Let's take one out of the box first. Wow. This shoe is actually so fire, bro. In the pictures, because my problem with the Yeezys lately is they've been releasing very similar colorways. I'm at a point where, like, sometimes now I'm forgetting names of the Yeezys, which with the V1s wasn't the case. There's only like 5 or 6 V1 colorways, I'm pretty sure. Now they're releasing like 30 or something of the V2s. They're about to release the V3s, but I mean, still. But the good news is, guys, if you cop this pair, it'll definitely stand out in person, man. Like, these are so fire right now. Looking at them, I'm gonna get the second pair out. So I'll put these down in the box here. Take a look at the second pair. Second shoe. Well, I don't know what to say. The left foot, if I can say that, that works. And here it is. And one thing standing out to me, we got that nice white Boost, as you can see on the bottom. Looks so clean. I really like this shoe. It's a size 8 at the moment. I mean, look at that sole. Just look at that sole, how clean that is right now. So like almost like a translucent gum. I like to call that, like a transparent gum. But yeah, I mean, all the details, when you really get close in the shoe, you see like the color patterns. Like you got straight lines. I mean, like, look at this. We got some diagonals in there. I mean, just look at these patterns, and it all comes together, all flows together. We got the classic V2 stripe, as you can see there, which you can see on the inside of the shoe. If I can get you a view in there, as you can see that little bit where it's like white, that's sort of like the stripe on the inside. Still factory lace, got the tags here, got the Yeezy, and I think this is interesting. It looks like a Volt colorway, similar to the Nike Volt colorway, but they got the Yeezy on the inside. I don't know if you guys can really see that. I'll move the tag out of the way. But yeah, definitely a fire shoe. I'm going to put these back in the box now, but before I do, I just want to tell you guys, I will be selling these. They're a size 8 US. I'll put them up on my Instagram, which I'll have right here. So follow me on Instagram, at JLGSYG, and just hit me up in the DMs or something if you want to buy these, or comment down on the video, and we can figure that out. But that's going to wrap up today's video, guys. Let me know down below what other shoes you want to see me do, what other clothing pieces, what other videos in general do you want to see me doing, you know. I know this channel's been a little bit up and down. I've been consistent, posting every day, and then I'll stop for a few months. I apologize about that, guys, but I'm back, and I'm ready to stay. I'm ready to work. So you guys, just let me know down below, and until next time, guys, peace.
Bitch, I'm on my line, on my meat cause it's prime. Then I got behind, sober watch, can't waste time. She would never change, but fucking shit, she a dime. I'ma beat the pussy, I kill it like it's a crime. Bitch, I'm on my line, on my meat cause it's prime.